Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make or cook chili chicken. So we need 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 red chili powder, this one, 4 ginger garlic paste, this one, and then 2 teaspoon vinegar, this one, and then 4 teaspoon soy sauce, 2 beaten eggs, and then 6 tablespoon all-purpose flour and cornstarch. There. And then add salt. And then put the rest of the ingredients: vinegar, soy sauce, chili seasoning, garlic ginger paste, black pepper, and then chili powder. The chicken, guys, is 600 grams. And then we're gonna add the flour, 6 tablespoon flour and cornstarch. Mix 3 cornstarch and 3 all-purpose flour. So take 6 tablespoon all in all. And then we're gonna add the beaten eggs. Okay guys, and then after this one, we're gonna put in the fridge at least 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay guys, so we're gonna fry this one. Okay, we're gonna do it by batch. Okay guys, so we're gonna do it by batch as of now, okay? Okay. Okay, so it's done. Onions, guys. The chilies. The ginger. The pepper, it's very colorful. Look at that one. Soy sauce. Tomato ketchup, the chili sauce. Look at that one, guys. Cornstarch and 1 cup of water. That's enough. Okay, we're gonna add some salt, guys. Look at that one. We're gonna add the fried chicken. Okay guys, so this is our chili chicken. It's a little quite like sweet and sour chicken, but this is chili chicken, more on chilies. It's tasting time. It's good, and you know, it's a little spicy because it's more on chilies. But add our green onion. So our chili chicken, it's super yummy guys. There's a lot of chiles. It's super yummy guys. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dbruja, to my Instagram, d_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.